Sure. Yeah. And actually, I've gone through Wikipedia right now, sir. I'm really, so strange after going through her wiki and everything. I mean, I did not expect people from our country to be that honored by all other countries.
Yes.
And she's a pioneer of biotechnology in India. She has made her country proud with globally recognized by biopharmaceutical enterprise. Kiran
Yeah.
Mazumdar Shaw is a chairperson and managing director of Biocon, which is like Asia's leading biopharmaceutical
Farmers.
in our it's like worldwide. It's like one of famous pharmaceutical companies, which she is a chairperson and a managing director. As a global influencer, she is even ranked as 25th most influential people in biopharm throughout
Yes.
the world.
Mm.
She has been even recognized by our India by honoring her Padma Shri in 1989 and Padma Bhushan in 2005. And finding, I mean, literally in my age until I have seen till now, I've seen only boys and men being topmost entrepreneurs and all in pharmaceuticals or any other field. And
Mm.
it's nice, going through Kiran Mazumdar Shaw that even she's in actually one of my dreams. I can say that I want to be entrepreneur in future.
Very good.
And
Very good. No.
more than a BTech, I'm more interested in all these business field and everything. It's really nice listening to her. I've actually Googled all five of them and I came
Mm.
through this Kiran Mazumdar, saw that she's an entrepreneur, and then my brain has dragged me there. Okay, let
Yeah.
us know about this person.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it,
Mm.
sir. Thank you.
Good. Yeah. See that. So, Krishnavin, I would like to ask you one question. So, how do you get inspired by this brief history of Kiran Mujumdar?
Inspired, uh, one is like every time when I go through all this information, I feel like at least we should be not, it's not like recognized by all other countries, at least we should be recognized by our state, at
Mm.
least, or
At
at
least.
least by our college.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like we are not like one in thousand. It's like being unique. Even people should Google our names in future. This might be the biggest dream, but even
That's
though it's a kind of feeling, sir, when we
yeah.
think about all these people.
That's a good dream indeed, Krishnaveni, and that's aiming that here people should dream and people should feel that here our names must Google in our Google. That's very good one. That's good. Krishnaveni is
Thank you,
inspiration.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, ah,
So, yes, sir.
who's here?
So,
Who's
sir,
here?
Ismat, sir.
Ismat, are you there? Okay, come
Yes.
on, Ismat.
So, I would like to talk about Larry Page.
Larry Page. Okay,
Sir, everything, like all the five names you have given, we have Googled it. So, he is the co founder of Google. So, I will talk about him.
very good.
Right. So, sir, Larry Page,
Yes, no, no. What happened? What happened, Ray?
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay. Before
Right.
that, it was not okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, sir, Larry Page founded Google, was one of the co-founders of Google,
Yeah.
and he was also the CEO of Google until it was succeeded by Sundar Pichai.
Hmm.
He was he got his alma mater from Stanford.
Hmm.
And so I wanted to talk about Larry Page because my interest of this computers and of coding and about technology is like, you know what, he had a previous interest when I read about him right now, like a few minutes before.
Yeah.
Like that's what his in his education alma mater. That's how it was written about the way he used to interest to code and used to wanted to find out something simpler for people
Hmm.
through technology. So yeah, that's how I kind of connected with Larry Page and I'm inspired by his career.
Yeah. Yes, Malika. That's right. Indeed, Larry Page, one of the founders of Google, as we are browsing today and Googling whatever it is. So, as Malika had taken this one, right, Larry Page, because being CSC, AML, definitely that will be fine. And getting inspired by Larry Page, definitely one day let us see all you people from Shreyas somewhere else. But thing is here, right? There is a chance of everyone. So because everyone started from right the bottom. Even today you can see Satya Nadella also. Of course, all of you know Satya Nadella. Even he is from Triple E stream. He became the chairman of Microsoft today. So Sundar Pichai is from Chennai and from India has become CEO of Google today. So these are all the things when you see it is kind of inspiration for you. So Ismat, how you feel about right when you have come to know about Larry Page?
Sir,
Hello.
I get inspired to see, that we can succeed on that path if we are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if we work hard enough, then probably we might also become a Larry Page someday.
Yes.
Something like that.
Yes. Yes. Definitely it happens because only thing is here, right? Never losing hope because never give up anytime. Whatever you feel that. So where you are studying is not important here. How stubborn about your goal is important. So whether you are stubborn about your goal, generally we are stubborn at home, but we have to be stubborn about our goal. And always when you dream, when you sleep, when you eat, when you walk, always you have to see that goal. It is possible to anyone. Ismat, okay, very good one. Right, next. Next. So
Sir,
two people. Yeah, very
sir,
good. Hitishini.
Hiteshni, sir.
Yeah,
Out of all the five names, yes, sir. Like they said, I also googled all the five,
very good. Yeah,
and I because they both already talked about them, they were also influential for me in a way.
yeah, yeah.
Now I went through Rupert Murdoch, sir, the
Yes,
one you have said.
yeah.
He's actually a very elderly person, sir. He's really born in 1931, and
Mm,
like Kiran Mazumdar is in biology industry, like biotechnology and everything.
yeah,
Larry Page is like technically Google and everything. He's also part of a very big influence that is media, sir. Media is the one of the main source and one of the main things in the world which connects the world together, right? So
yeah,
Rupert Murdoch is the chairman of this company called News Co, which
yeah,
News Corp, sir. The company's name is News Corp. So
yeah,
it has so many local, national, international publishing outlets. So half
yeah.
of the things we see, half of the publishing companies we know is under him, like
Yes.
under this company. Like from UK, he's an Australian American, sir, but he has it from worldwide, like the Sun and the Times network we know right now, and
Mm,
from Australia, the Daily Telegraph, Herald Sun, and the Australian,
very
and
good.
in US, the Wall Street Journal and New York Post, and
Mm,
the very common publishing, sir, the book publishing company HarperCollins,
mm.
which we own, like so many books we own from that publishing company, and TV broadcast channels also like Sky News and Fox News,
Yes.
which are also like quite famous, sir. So it's really hard to be like owning these many things, managing them all, like so many, sir. You can
Yeah.
see them
Yes.
for
Yes.
for us in India, it's really tough. One media company is also very insincere right now. If
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
see,
Yeah.
it's getting very tough to get into media and stuff, and we can see honesty somewhere, sir. But for this person, he's been working in media industry for so long, and
Yes.
yes, sir, he's also a billionaire for all the
Yes.
work he has done.
So
So
here
I
you
think,
see the. Yeah. Hideshni, continue.
yes, sir, it's quite inspiring to see someone to withstand in this industry called media, sir, because it's
Yeah.
really tough to be sincere and to manage all these also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, that is what included me so much.
Very good. That's what Robert Murdoch or Murdoch, whatever. So here the person who has selected, because selecting the field also is first step for success. When you select a field, that's going to give you right right path. Yes. Yeah, how you move on, how to start, how they started, how it is taken into the public, how it is spreaded over like the business and whatever. So means here the choosing the first step, and moreover you can see many billionaires not government employees. Try to understand the people who are
Yes, sir.
there.
Yes.
Yeah, generally people right like to become a government employee or a group one officer whatever. So today there are many people, youngsters at the age of 25, 26, earning 2.5 lakhs per month, 3 lakhs per month, 5 lakhs per month. The talent takes up people anywhere, right? Think beyond your limits, not behind, beyond your limits. When you think beyond your limits, definitely you can reach the field, whatever it is. After completing your BTech, during this BTech only, you must have some idea what I want to establish. Today, establishing a business is very simple because government is coming forward as startups, when Telangana state government is encouraging many of engineers to start their startups. So a 90% money they can provide, but our ideas are sold over there. Our ideas are working over there. That's what being right CSC AML students, first batch students, you will have very great future indeed. That's what think about entrepreneurship. Don't think about working under someone. Working under someone means here you are used for somebody else, and you are earning money for somebody else, not for yourself. So that your now onwards, the first year onwards, if you think that you are going to start a business or a company, a startup, so by the time you come out that year, the idea will be materialized. So then automatically within 2 or 3 years of time after finishing your BTech or MS, then you can start a startup. That's what how the people are becoming billionaires. Always we think that, so what billionaires are? Money nothing, sir. Not money nothing. Money is everything. That money is given money because Kali Yuga, according to Kali Yuga Dharma, only money is given importance. Nothing is given importance. So that even go outside, money itself. People say, no, no, sir, affection is there, love and affection, friendship. These are all sometimes trash, because money plays major role connecting affection and all the things. So that becoming entrepreneur is really great idea, and you can convince your parents also to become entrepreneur, because no need of spending money from your side. Government comes forward to give you support to start a startup, especially Telangana government and any other governments of all the states also. Definitely they come forward, because when startups come, the economy of the state increases. That's what money is there with the government, ideas are there with you. Come with new ideas, but don't share your ideas to your friends, because sometimes the ideas may be copied. So that you keep your idea till you start your startup. Nice, Hitesh. Okay then. Then next, who comes? Only three
Good
people
evening,
got.
sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Good evening. Who's this one? Okay, Pavitra Jahnavi.
Pavitra, yes, sir.
Pavitra.
Good evening. I am Pavitra Jahnavi. I'm here to talk about Lakshmi Mittal.
Mm.
So he is like his occupation is chairman and CEO of Archeolar Metal. It's the world's largest steel making company, and he's also chairman of stainless steel manufacture.
Yes.
He, so he, according like in 2005, he is ranked as the third richest person in the world, and he's the first Indian citizen to be ranked in top 10 of the world's richest person. So he invested in the steel company. He believed in himself and went to a top position. This inspires me. He also won many awards like Padma Bhushan, Steel Maker of the Year, and he's also called as King of Steel.
Yes.
So not technically, but he went in a manufacturing field. He believed himself. He invested money and became one of the most richest person in the world, making India proud.
Yeah. Great.
That's
See
it,
that
sir.
Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, who is from India, Indian origin, Jahnavi, Indian origin, and who settled in Britain and started all this, and he became
Yeah, he
tycoon. Yes.
started his company in other country. Yeah.
Country, yeah, is a tycoon of the steel industries. Even Tata and Birla, who are there in India, and who went outside the country and started, and is one of the richest personalities in the world from Indian origin. That's one of the greatest pride to, because when you become, for example, Sindhu got the medal, so the country gets recognition. If you also do something else, the country gets recognition by you. Don't say that here India hasn't given us anything. You are born in India, and you are Indian, and when you do great and miraculous job, right, definitely The country gets recognition from your works. That kind of attitude we have to develop. You must be the employer, not employee. You must be the employer, not employee. If you become just employee, what do you do? Just go on working for 7 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, just over. Your time and your money, your mind and everything is totally utilized for some others' development, not your development. But when you use that mind in proper way, definitely there is a chance of right developing yourself. So here Mittal also the same way. They thought in different. Even you can see Amazon chairman also, Bezos. So Bezos in the same way. Bezos also felt that. So what he had to do, right? He felt that here he wanted to become entrepreneur. Just started with a simple computer with his website Amazon and started getting the goods from outside and right putting over there in a small room indeed at the beginning. Now Amazon is international company. The first actually thought what I am saying that's what you should not share. Of course, the close friend may be to you, but should not share innovative thoughts to your friends. First, you remember that. Even he is a close friend or she is a close friend to you, but should not share the innovative thoughts to any friend because the thought only makes you billionaire. That you remember always. It may be silly sometimes, but only the thought, what the thought you get that makes you a billionaire. If you become employee, just you can be okay, comfortable, that's it, earn monthly money and go to home, spend, that's over. But becoming millionaire is a dream. It's a dream and you are giving right return to nation. That's important. So a nation gets recognition because of you. Thank you. mm, right, Pavitra. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Only four people got
Sir.
yeah, now Anusha, please.
Hello, sir.
Anusha, please.
Yes, sir. So I'd like to talk about Rupert Murdoch. So I
Yeah.
got little excited when you said his name because he was the, CEO of Fox Foundation, Fox Film Corporation, who was actually owning Disney, Walt Disney, because I'm too much involved in Disney, sir. So I got excited when you told his name.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, so I was googling his name and his things since I was in my guess what, ninth grade, I guess. I was too much involved in Walt Disney, and since he's the CEO of it, I was more of researching him and all. So he's from a family which is a Spanish family, and his father was a war publisher, sir. Their family used to basically send letters and give information passed through the world about wars going on. And since he was a son, he used to collect those papers and read them, and once was inspired from those and try to change those newspaper publishing into kind of a media entertainment. So that was his idea to change that. And he went through many different struggles in his life. There wasn't any single person in his life, not even his father or his, he has many siblings, and not anyone of his family came forward to support him and stand with him. But he's actually one of the richest persons in the world right now, top 5 or top 10, I guess.
Yeah,
And
yes.
after a quite while in his life, after getting inspired and trying to believe himself and being an entrepreneur and learning a lot from his own life, he kind of worked hard and got through many of his successes. But after a while, he kind of quit all of his success and moved on, which is why he's currently not working in many of the things. He sold all of his companies to many of basically he kind of sold the Fox Corporation to Walt Disney now. He had many struggles and all. Since he became an elderly person, he did that. He was born and raised in Melbourne. His whole family was raised in Melbourne, and he's a very respectful. He was actually a journalist first when he was around 17 or 18, and since his family was not able to support his intentions and aspirations, he kind of moved on from the journalism and tried to um,
go through all of this media thing with the help of school studies and all. He also did quit his school in like high. He kind of quit his high school for doing his media career, and he started working in Daily Express in London and in 1950s, I guess. But then after the newspaper thing, he kind of turned the whole Sunday Times newspaper into the Mirror show first, which became very, very, very famous in Australia, like in 1980s or 1960. I don't remember the time it got very popular, but it was the first thing he did, and within a month or two, he got really famous all through the world because of those media interactions he did with the people. And he was always on the newspaper in New York Times and New York Post, and the emerging of Fox was happened in during all of the media empire building times. It's been 20 years right now about the Fox Corporation. His family is basically running now. I really wish it continues more. So he's a big aspiration to many of us, even though many of his family, his friends, none of the world believed him. He kind of took a great step forward, quitting the things and leaving things behind which did not support him and focusing on his own aspirations and career. I know it is a very big hard step, but I think that is a one of the motive we have to fix in ourselves to go through something we really want. And as the world says, if you believe in something, the universe will help you. And he did get success and is considered as one of the most best people on earth, like the world's richest person who gained a lot of fame as well as money in a very less time, and who did not actually show the hype of those things. And yeah, that's how I think a man should be.
Very good, very good. Superb. Actually, the information is wonderful, Nana. As you have been following him since your childhood, maybe
I
from.
like him a lot, sir. He kind of invented my Walt Disney thing, so
Yes, yes, yes.
I like
So see,
cartoons a lot. So
yeah, that's what you are totally right. Attracted towards the person at the same time his inventions. So the entire media has come into his hands, and at the time, what he felt about right, what really children like, and like that he started the different streams of media. You can and like today you can see ETV also, ETV Children, ETV this one, ETV that one, ETV Maratha, ETV Kannada. How this Ramoji Rao also has spread entire the nation. The same Mr. Rupert Murdoch also, he has done everything. So
he
what
kind
not?
of brought happiness in every child, in every children's life, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Really, everybody likes the person because of many the Cartoon Network and all the things. Really fantastic. And of course, Anusha, I would like to ask you that you got inspired by Rupert anyhow,
Yes, sir.
but what you want to be indeed? How
Uh,
you
I'm sorry.
how you plan your life, and what do you want to be after 10 years of time, after 5 years of time?
I don't really know, sir. I'm just going with the flow right now because it's too much to think. Because I just started my engineering. I'm just
Yes.
going with flow, whatever it takes. It's just been
Yes.
hard 6 or 7 months.
Yeah.
There is a lot of zillion number of days in your life. You can
Yes.
think it can happen in a spur of a moment, being a billionaire or anything. I know
Hmm.
it takes
Yeah.
struggle or not, but if you
That's
will to, it will take a spur of a moment thing. So I'm just going with the flow right now.
yes, of course. But lesson is about how a Chinese billionaire built her fortune. So in that view, we are taking some other billionaires also, how the people started their startups and became billionaires. Because only the business and startups make the people the richest and recognition all over the world, and that world recognition gives recognition to the nation where you are born, and from India especially. So next, who is going to get gift next? Five members got gift up to now.
Hello, sir. This is Sharanya.
Yes, Sharanya, please. Sharanya, please. Who's that next? Okay, Sharanya.
So I want to talk about Mark Zuckerberg. As we all know,
Yeah.
he's a great personality. He's the CEO of Facebook.
Yes.
Apart from this, I took this his topic because every age group people are behind the social media right now.
Hmm.
So, and if we see young children nowadays or youngsters nowadays, they play games. But when he was young, he used to make games.
using the
Hmm.
programming languages. And his father used to help him a lot with the programming languages. But at some point of time, his father also failed to give some of the answers which the young brain of Mark Zuckerberg used to question. So he appointed a professional programming trainer, but somehow he also failed. And then beyond this all things, he got an admission into Harvard University.
Yeah.
There, before launching Facebook, he made many other companies, like he made many other websites like chat system, music tools, everything like that. But when he got into Harvard, in Harvard there was a book known as Facebook. In that book, they provide the details of the students with the photo. So
Hmm.
from there, he got an idea to make Facebook. So, but it was when he made it initially, it was just for the college. But when he extended it in few months, in some period of time only, he got 1 million followers behind that Facebook. But in few months, or after few months, he became the billionaire. So I got inspired from his story.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
he said a very nice thing which I would like to share. Like, the great success comes from having the freedom to fail. So he failed. He inspired a lot of people who failed, and so failing is not the thing, like it's an end.
Yeah.
Journey.
Should not be rejected.
Yeah, success is the journey in which failures may come or may not, but we used to but we always what should I say now?
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
should
That's what.
never quit.
Never give up. That's what here I can say. Quitters never win. Winners never quit. You know that the quote. I think you might have listened somewhere.
Yes, sir,
Quitters.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Quitters never win. Winners never quit. At same time, successful people do not relax. They believe in progress. These two quotes are very important. Once again, I tell you that successful people do not relax. They believe in progress. Always they think about progress. What's happened? What happened next? As we learned that critical thinking, of course, the same way. Always they don't relax anywhere, right? Relaxing in the sense only by the time they sleep, it's okay. But other time, always they think about progress, next step. So here Zuckerberg also, even of course many got failures, but coming out of that again achieving great things, and he has donated his entire money also to the charities. So this kind of right hearted, kind hearted, compassionate, passionate people may be there, but the people who are not compassionate, that's not right life to anyone. But really we can see there are many people who are really donating money. Bill Gates donated his entire properties, and here Tata's also spending a lot of money for charities. In that way, Mark Zuckerberg also one of the personalities who has given his money to the charities. So these kind of people are important for us. And among you also, one of them may be there, or few of them may be there, all of them may be there. Only the thought process makes you that. Okay. So six people are deserving. Thank you, Sharanya. Deserving the gift.
Good
Okay,
evening,
next.
sir.
Who's this one? Where should I
Good
find your
evening,
name?
sir.
Yeah, good evening. Where are you? What's the name?
Pujita,
Yeah,
sir.
Pujita. Okay, right. Pujita, please.
Sir, I was also about to say about Mark Zuckerberg, but Saranya had tell
Yeah, no, no problem. You
everything.
can explain.
I will say one of the thing about him.
Yeah, please.
He how he was interested, how he was interested in making this all internet and all. Gutenberg became using his writing and the computers in the middle school, sir.
Mm.
His father Atari, he started basic programming in 1990s.
Yes.
Later, he had hired a software developer, and he's privately. He had started that. His father was a dental officer. He made him a program for communication for from dental office to the home.
Hmm.
Here
Yeah, that's right, Pujita.
he was an he was he had become he was a richest person, so he had become a founder for the many companies, as we know that Facebook, and he had made he had chairman he was the chairman of chief executive officer of the Facebook, and he's also a co-founder of the solar cell spacecraft development project, sir.
Hmm.
And he's also a board member of Breakthrough Starshot Services.
Okay. Yes. Yes, no. Your research is very good. Yeah. Yeah,
That's it,
Pujita.
sir.
Yeah, Pujita, you have done very good research, and the points which are not covered by Sharanya, you have covered very good. So these are all that okay efforts, and I learned that Zuckerberg always wears 2 or 3 dresses. You know, always in his wardrobe will have only 2 or 3 dresses. I heard his interview in one media. So he said that he asked the interviewer
He
asked
doesn't want to waste the time
very good
in that
Pavitra. Yes.
selecting the dresses.
Yes, yes, very good. So he doesn't want to waste his time selecting dresses. Just he keeps only 2 or 3 dresses in his wardrobe, and those only he wears every day. So that's time sense is very important to become a billionaire, right? One of the richest personalities. That's what time is money. We can say time is money, very valuable. When time is totally left, okay, we can't achieve anything because you are not in an age like in first class how you were. You are not in the age like how you are in 10th class. You are not in the age like right in 12th class. 12th class. The same, right? In the same way, you will not be in the same age after 10 years or after 5 years or after 15 years. So by that time, how you want to see yourself, just to dream. It's only dream. As Abdul Kalam said that here, dream is that here that doesn't allow you to sleep. The dream is not that here when you get dream in your sleep. Dream is that here that doesn't allow you to sleep and it wakes you up and provokes you to do work for your betterment. So that's the greatness of Zuckerberg and others also. We should not waste our time for unnecessary things, unnecessary shopping, unnecessary browsing, unnecessary selecting of dresses at the time of any occasion. We must have some best dresses. Okay, 5 dresses or 6 dresses. That's okay. So best dresses, not like cheap dresses. Even the dresses, whatever less we have, they must be very good and very grand. Definitely that gives us some strength and confidence also. That's what the great people always go on, right? Like that itself. Time is very precious to anyone. Thank you, Pujita. Right, sorry. Pujita, no? Right? Right. Pujita, thank you for giving very good information regarding Zuckerberg. Okay, 7 people got eligibility for getting prize. Okay, anyone coming forward? 7 got prize now. Hello. Anyone from boys side? Only these 7 people browsed it. I asked you many. Why I actually wanted to encourage you that you're giving prize and all. At least you come forward that year. So I know that you can buy that any kind of articles and any kind of things, whatever the gift I give you. But getting prize from a teacher, getting prize from the institution will be very memorable. You know, that may be very right less price, but that is very memorable in our lives. So anybody would like to come forward? Let us extend time, no problem. Of course, it's only 8, okay, 7:58. Let us extend time. If you are there, if you are willing there, definitely let us extend time. Ismat, Dome has come?
No, sir, he's not there in the class.
Okay, shall we extend the time? Only for today, 7 members got prize. Okay? Is it okay? Shall we
So we
continue?
can do it tomorrow, sir. Like there are only 24 members in the class. So
Yeah,
maybe tomorrow there'll be many people.
yeah. Let us think over that. And anyhow, I post this in your group.